Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I have a lot of kits that I buy. Some of them I do auto subscription to, and I get them and don't do anything with them. So I was going through some of my kits, and so I want to go ahead on and start using them every so often, I guess. So I'm going to show you what came in this one, then I'll come back and show you the cards that I made. So this is a Simon Says stamp kit from 2016. The box has on here August of 2016. So this would be the September kit right there. So in it was these right here. These are some puffy stickers from My Mind's Eye. These two Nouveau, this is crystal drops, and well, they're crystal drops, those two colors. This little, I guess it's like a little, it says decorative tape, so it does those little strips. These are called stretch off surprises. So you use a sticker to add a secret message to your stamp cards. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not, but that's that. This is the stamp set. Happy birthday, so that's why I picked that. You always get candy. And five sheets of cardstock. Right here. And then what papers is this? This is the Doodlebug Smith and Kitten cardstock. Not cardstock, pattern paper. And these colors are light and pretty. So I'm gonna try to see if I can stick with single-sided. Oh, they're all single-sided. Okay. I thought they were double. Right here. So I'm going to try to stick with just this. So I can use this and throw away this box. Because I keep my stuff in the box because I don't want it to get messed up. Alright, you guys. So I'll be back and show you the cards that I made. I'm going to try to just use some sketches because I need to not, stress my brain so much. So I'm just going to make these to de-stress. Okay, I'll be back. Everybody, I'm back. So I thought I would start back with sharing with you guys what I have left. So of course I have these left. I went on and opened these and used these because when they first came out at Expo, I bought every one that they had, but they looked the same, but you couldn't make the dots. It was the issue with these, and so they redid them. If I remember them saying that they redid the packaging. So yeah, so these turned out really well. I didn't have any issues with this batch, so that was good. I didn't think that I was going to enjoy this little dot roller. Looked like it would come from like the 99-cent store. That would have vibes. But once I learned how to use this, and because it's got that writing, but it is a diagram. But once I figured out how to use it right, I love this. And I actually enjoyed these as well. I didn't think I was going to use these at all, but you see I did. And then, of course, the stamp set. I used all of these puffy stickers. I just went to town with them. No rhyme or reason. I messed up some of my cards due to that too, but I still kept the cards. And then these are the scraps. I just put them in a bag just for the video, but as you can see, it's literal scraps. I can get maybe two maybe 3x3s out of that, or try to do like the quilted cards. But the thing is, the strips are so different size, and you got holes I cut out and stuff like that. I may just bless the trash can with this. You know, sometimes you just need to bless the trash can, all right, and let the trash can receive a blessing. All right, let me show you my cards. I made 7. All right, so here's one. Let me see. Here's the first one. Here's the first one right here. And like I said, the dots formed perfectly. That's the inside. You can see where I used that roller. Love that roller. So that's the first one. And then after I made that one. Oh, and by the way, I used all sketches because I didn't want to have to come up with nothing. But then I remember Christy, I think her name is Martoff, is how you pronounce the last name. I know that when she make her cards, she always add black in. And it makes a world of difference. So like here's another one that I did. And I matted everything just slightly with black. I did have to add that in. All right. And then it just says, it's no secret to scratch here. And I did all the clear dots. And that's that one. So you can see the total difference. It makes all the world of difference. Okay. Here's another one. Right here. Same thing. This one is not a birthday themed. It just says, to my wonderful friend. And I think on the bottom it says, you're amazing or something like that. But I made sure not to put any birthday stickers on this. Puffies. So I can remember that it's not a birthday. This one is a birthday one. And I was getting down to scraps. Literal scraps on that one. That was the last card I made, I think. No, it was. It was getting towards the end, though. Here's one. And now you see what I mean about once I learned how to make the roller, once I learned how to use it, because those are mistakes. But I'm going to keep it because I like the way the card turned out, even with my mistakes. Okay. I added that yellow in, if you remember from the first part of the video. This yellow I added. This another one. It's no secret you're amazing. Again, no birthday on this one. And then here is my last one. And another happy birthday. And I finally used the balloons on the stamp set. So that's that. Where's that? I thought I had another one where I used the balloons. Okay, I guess that's it. For some odd reason, I could have sworn I had did another card. But I guess I didn't. That is the weirdest thing. Because it's like I do remember stamping another image. That's it. If I find it, I'll come back and add it on. But I guess that's it. That is so weird. All right, you guys. Bye. Okay, you guys, I am back. I found the last card. I forgot that I made it at the last minute, and then I set the drops up to dry, because you'll think they're dry, and then you put some on top and they'll smudge. So here is the last one that I used, of course, off a sketch, and I was too lazy to mask this off, but it's still fine. I'm still gonna use it. I don't know I couldn't remember where I put my masking paper at. I could have sworn I bought some masking tape. Maybe it was on my list and I didn't buy it, because that does happen a lot too when I go to get it, it's out of stock. But anywho, these are, I think, 8 cards now. So that's 1, yeah, 2, 3, 4, yep, 8 cards, which I didn't think was bad for that. All right. So I'm truly gone this time. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.